Pozhtechnika is a specialized machine-building production of modern fire extinguishing equipment with more than a quarter of a century of experience. The number of employees, 160. Manufactured products, fire extinguishers, fire extinguishing systems, and installations with the trademarks MIG, E, Prestige are used to equip industrial and civil infrastructure facilities in Belarus, Russia, EA, EU, and CIS countries. And enjoy a high reputation for their operational reliability. The basic technology is the production of modern welded metal cases and cylinders, which determine the reliability and safety of manufactured fire extinguishing equipment, the service life of which is 15 years, which is 1.5 times higher than that provided for by current standards. One of the most important specializations of our enterprise is corrosion-resistant products, which are in demand in the oil and gas industry, energy, and all types of transport, including sea vessels. Pozhtechnika's competence in adapting its products to the requirements of high-complexity projects, including premium designs made of stainless steel, is in wide demand. The technologies used are constantly updated in order to improve consumer properties. For example, the main indicator of the quality of manufactured powder fire extinguishers MIG and MIG E, their increased fire extinguishing ability, rank, is ensured by the use of modern technologies for extracting and drying nitrogen, as well as fire extinguishing powder that meets the strict requirements for both domestic and international standards. The development and implementation of a special cartridge in the design of air foam fire extinguishers with a starting cylinder made it possible to double the recharging period for the fire extinguishing agent in this type of fire extinguishers from 5 to 10 years. The adoption of technology for applying labels with marking paint will increase the resistance to abrasion of the most important information for consumers as a result of exposure to adverse environmental factors during operation, as well as eliminate the use of paper and polymer-based labels. An advanced product of the company, gas fire extinguishing modules (INE), based on inert gases, makes it possible to ensure human safety in the area of fire extinguishing agent release, and also at the same time completely eliminate the release of ozone-depleting substances into the atmosphere, which is typical for widespread halon fire extinguishing systems. The policy of Pozhtechnika is concerned for product quality, ecology, productivity, and labor safety. Create modern fire extinguishing means, improve their quality, labor productivity, as well as the satisfaction of all parties concerned. Monitor sources of pollution, reduce the negative impact of our activities on the environment, improve the qualifications and motivations of employees, reduce safety and professional health risks.